Good morning, everybody. It's time for another shave. Yeah, morning again. I arrived too late last night, so I'll shave in the morning. I start later work tonight. I start working this afternoon, so might as well shave in the morning. Anyway, hope everybody's doing well. For today's shave, I'm using Hanami Soaps Summer Island. It smells really nice, pretty much like a pina colada. Somewhat. You get the pineapple. Well, I get the pineapple and coconut. It smells really nice, which is funny because tomorrow I'm using Santa Cruz, which smells similar. Actually, no. They are similar, but no. I thought that they were, but no. You get more the pineapple on the summer, on the Hanami Summer Island than the Santa Cruz. Anyway, matching splash. Rushing Saturday. For the brush, I'm gonna be using Phoenix Shaving Amber Adolite, already loaded, and my Machi Cajuan Diablo large. Love the Cajuans large. I don't have the normal or medium. And for the razor, I'm gonna be using for the first time the dirty, all full of smudges. Now it's shiny and clean. Merkur 34C. This is my first AMAC or zinc alloy razor. For the blade, I'm using Comfort Coated, Personna Comfort Coated. It's gonna be good. I'm pretty sure the Merkur 34C is gonna work. It's a very mild, very well recommended razor. Supposedly the best-selling razor or most sold razor, but it has been made since the 50s or even longer though. So yeah, who can compete with that? But it's very well recommended as for beginners, so we'll see. Now the whole point of getting that razor is because I'm trying to make a starter kit for a friend. And he's not sure yet if he's gonna like it or not. So I know he's kind of lazy. so I don't wanna give him an expensive razor that then it's gonna be laying around. Because I was thinking of giving him a Henson. Now a Henson, if I found it in special discounts, yeah, $45, $50. But the Merkur, I paid 30 something for it. No, so it's not bad. Also, it's kind of easier to load because it's a two-piece razor, which I like. It's the only modern two-piece razor that I own, except for the console. So I wanted to see how it goes for a two-piece razor. It's pretty cool. Would love to see it on stainless steel, which the code is, but a two-piece razor. I think the closest one to do that would be Rex, if he decides to. But three pieces is easier to machine, so. But yeah, it can be done. Pretty much the console is a two-piece stainless steel razor. The difference is that it is adjustable. Same with the Ambassador. Man, this leather is looking really nice. And the scent, oh yeah, really nice. I love pina colada, so it reminds me of some pina colada lollipops that I used to buy in Puerto Rico. That they are white and yellow, you know, pineapple, coconut. But this lather is looking great. Very creamy, thick. I didn't add too much water on the bowl because I'm trying to play around with my bowl lathers to see if I find a way that I like my lathers on bowls compared to the face lathers. Now I still work, as you can see, I still work a lot my bowl lathers. I don't just make it and that's it. No, I still work my face. To me, it's important to work the face. Also, that gives time for the skin to absorb the soaps and all the good skin ingredients that it has. So now today I work this weekend, so I start early, late. I start at 1 p.m. today. I only have one load and I already know what it is and how long it's gonna take me. So it's gonna be a short day, hopefully, if nothing happens. It should be a short day, but you never know. And this lather is looking great. It's looking great. Look at that. This is a vegan base coming all the way from Spain, España. Wow. Beautiful lather for a vegan soap. I lean more to tallow based soaps, but my God, you cannot complain with this. It's just wow, beautiful lather. Have to see the post-shave feel, but it should be good. Should be good. It's been a while since I used the Amber Aerolite. Also, you know, I get carried away with buying artisan soaps, but sometimes you don't need all that mess that I have on the back. Sometimes a $15, $20, whatever, or even cheaper brush is gonna do the job. These are soft, also very soft bristles. It's looking great, looking wet, creamy, a little bit on the thick. Beautiful. Yeah, this other is ready, and I can keep smelling the soap, which is unusual for me. That's nice, especially for a really nice scent like this one. At least for me, of course. It's all preference. Beautiful. Now let's see how the Merkur performs. Should be fine. Yeah, super mild. Zero blade feel for me. I'm gonna guess it's gonna perform similar to the Gillette's, vintage Gillette's. Yes, look at the leather. With that sheen, it's just beautiful. Also, I like that it's a short handle. I prefer shorter handles. Yes, beautiful. But yeah, it's a keeper. I was expecting that because it was so recommended for beginners, so wow, super slick. Good job, Hanami. Good job. Wow, super slick for a vegan base. Let me pick up more soap. Second pass. Very nice. I'm really enjoying this one. Now tomorrow or next shave, for the next shave is gonna be Santa Cruz, and I'm gonna pull out Holy Cow Hiatus because that's another pina colada scent soap, which is my favorite. Beautiful. What am more water? Not that I need it, but it's performing really well. Very nice. Been impressed so far with Hanami soaps. Very nice. Very enjoyable. Yeah, very mild even in this bath. I see why it's so recommended. Now the question is how efficient it's gonna be. Because that's the thing with modern razors, you can get a very mild razor and be very efficient. Now, as I shave daily, it doesn't really matter for me. Or hope to shave daily. Been more busy lately, so I haven't been able to keep up that. Also, I'm thinking about videos too, so because I can shave without recording, but I'm thinking about making videos too. I enjoy it. Yeah, still have lots left on the mustache, but I still have the third pass to go. Be a little nick. The base is really performing so well. Very nice. This is another company that Lather Yeti Chris found. So far so great. Yep, I still getting the scent, so that's a super plus for me. Yeah, very smooth going across my neck. Similar to the Timeless, but the Timeless is even smaller. Very nice. I should get BBS with this one. I should. Ah, shit. Let's see. Yeah, I didn't got the mustache. See how I need my mustache now? Dig myself a little bit. No important. But yeah. Yeah. Very nice. A little bit of a cleanup, but doesn't mean something really. It happens with a lot of razors. It's more technique. Not the mustache. Yeah. Yeah, I got everything there. Not bad. Actually, it was a great shave. Still picking that scent. Such a nice scent. I saw Stainless Steel Lawman, aka Cano, and Peter Despotas from Spot Prints post about it, and I'm like, I'm a sucker for summer fragrance or fruity scent, so I'm glad that I wasn't able. Very nice. Very nice Hanami. Very nice. Time for a splash. Always shake it. Oop. Is this alcohol based or witch hazel? We'll see. Alcohol. What? Yeah, this is exactly pina colada or pineapple coconut mainly. Such a nice scent. Very nice, very nice. Very happy with it. That was a great shave and a great scent. I really enjoy it. Also, the razor performed fairly well, actually. Have a couple of pickups, but that's nothing out of the norm, really. Unless I use a really high efficient razor. Also, we're using the Personna Comfort Coated, which are not the sharpest blades. So, not bad. I really enjoy it. Well, that's gonna be it for today. Thank you for watching, as always, and I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I'll see you on the next shave.